What's up everybody, welcome back, where we explore natural remedies and wellness tips to boost your life. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Today we're diving into science-backed natural remedies. Ancient herbs, powerful plants, and solutions to improve how you feel. These are natural ways to support your well-being. Stick around to discover 9 science-backed home remedies you need to try. First up, we've got turmeric, the golden spice used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine. It's packed with curcumin, a compound with amazing anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show turmeric can reduce pain and inflammation, especially for arthritis. Add 1/2 to 1 and 1/2 teaspoons to your smoothies, soups, or milk. Pro tip: sprinkle black pepper. It helps your body absorb curcumin better. Next on our list is something you might not expect: chili peppers. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which gives them heat and acts as a potent pain reliever. Capsaicin numbs the affected area and is used in many over-the-counter pain relief creams. For a quick fix, try making a DIY capsaicin cream at home. Just be careful not to touch your eyes. Now let's talk about ginger. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, ginger is great for nausea and digestion. It's also a potent anti-inflammatory. Studies show ginger can be as effective as some painkillers. Next time you're unwell, try a cup of ginger tea. We're about to get funky with some superfoods, starting with shiitake mushrooms. These tasty fungi are like immune-boosting ninjas hiding in your stir-fry. Shiitake mushrooms contain lentinin, a compound that boosts your immune system. Adding 5 to 10 grams to your diet can make a noticeable difference in 4 weeks. That's like having a personal bodyguard for your immune system. Let's clear the air with eucalyptus oil. This essential oil is a natural decongestant and pain reliever. Eucalyptus oil helps open airways, loosen mucus, and ease breathing. Apply it topically to soothe sore muscles and joints. Mix with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage into the area. We all need more relaxation in our lives. Lavender is the queen of calm. Used for centuries, lavender promotes relaxation and sleep. Inhaling lavender oil reduces migraine frequency and intensity. Light a lavender candle, add lavender oil to your bath, or sip lavender tea before bed. Your mind and body will thank you. Now, who doesn't love a little bit of mint? It's refreshing, it's invigorating, and it can do wonders for your health, both inside and out. When it comes to muscle pain and digestive issues, mint is a true multitasker. Wintergreen, a type of mint, contains a natural compound called methyl salicylate, which is basically nature's aspirin. It can help soothe those aching muscles and joints. And if you're struggling with digestive woes, peppermint oil can be a lifesaver. This one is for all the amazing breastfeeding mothers. Fenugreek, a hidden gem used for centuries to support lactation. Studies show fenugreek can increase breast milk production. It mimics estrogen, aiding milk production. Fenugreek also helps with digestion and blood sugar levels. Last but not least, let's give a round of applause to magnesium, the unsung hero of minerals. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It relaxes muscles and calms the nervous system. Feeling stressed or having trouble sleeping? Magnesium deficiency could be the culprit. Boost your intake with magnesium-rich foods: leafy greens, almonds, avocado, and dark chocolate, all delicious. That's it for today's video on science-backed home remedies. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips and remedies. And tell us, what's your favorite natural remedy? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.